Billions of years from now, the Milky Way galaxy will be an ever-evolving theater of cosmic events. Through the lens of cutting-edge science, we embark on a journey through time to explore the dynamic future of our galactic home. Initially, the Milky Way continues its tranquil existence, stars and planetary systems journeying around its spiral arms. However, cosmic predictions soon paint a different picture as a slow yet inevitable dance with destiny begins. Approximately 4.5 billion years from now, the Milky Way will start to interact with its colossal neighboring galaxy, Andromeda. This celestial ballet will last several billion years, marked by gravitational pull, tidal forces, and the merging of countless star systems. Expert insights unravel the splendor and chaos intrinsic to this galactic collision. As Andromeda begins to loom larger in our skies, millions of stars are flung into new orbits, while others are ejected into intergalactic space. Collisions spark new regions of star formation, igniting stellar nurseries where infant stars are born amid the turbulent encounters. Zoom in further, and we witness the fate of our own solar neighborhood. As the galactic cores converge, the skies of Earth may display dazzling scams of intergalactic beauty. Yet, this beauty is transient. Our solar system, once nestled comfortably in the Milky Way, may be cast adrift or merged into a new stellar community. Great clouds of gas and dust colliding will fuel the birth of new stars and possibly new planetary systems, showcasing the regenerative processes of the universe. Beyond 10 billion years, the merger culminates in the gradual formation of a new galaxy, Milkomeda. This elliptical galaxy represents the genealogy of countless star systems, a colossal union of Milky Way and Andromeda legacies. New star systems will continue to form, while older stars fade into red giants and white dwarfs. The ultimate fate? Perhaps Milkomeda itself will one day merge with another galaxy, continuing the endless ebb and flow of cosmic evolution. Through these dynamic visuals and expert insights, we glimpse into the far reaches of time, marveling at the majestic and tumultuous future that lies ahead for our galaxy and beyond.